Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mint Solana NFTs. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed in your browser. This is your gateway to the Solana blockchain. Next, you'll need to fund your Phantom Wallet with enough Solana, or SOL, to cover the mint price and any associated transaction fees. Finally, identify an NFT project you wish to mint and navigate to its official minting website, ensuring it's legitimate. Once on the project's minting site, locate the Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner. Click it and select Phantom from the options. Your wallet will prompt you to approve the connection. Before minting, carefully review all project details, including the mint price, any royalties, and the total number of NFTs available. This ensures you understand the commitment. With your wallet connected and details reviewed, click the Mint button on the project's website. Your Phantom Wallet will then open, displaying a transaction approval window. Here, you'll see the amount of SOL being sent and the network fee. Double-check these details to ensure they match your expectations. If everything looks correct, click Approve to finalize the minting process. Congratulations, you've minted an NFT. To view your new digital collectible, open your Phantom Wallet and navigate to the Collectibles tab. Your NFT should appear there shortly. You can also verify its existence on Solana NFT marketplaces like Magic Eden by connecting your wallet. If you decide to sell, these platforms offer tools to list your NFT on the secondary market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.